hello, welcome back. Oh my god, I'm going crazy. I want 2 hours of sleep. So, but hi, it's me, Honi, again. And you may be wondering what am I doing today. So, I'm gonna talk about this painting. I know it's been like 1.5 months. But yeah, I wanted to talk about it. So, I'm gonna talk about it now. And ignore the bag, okay? So let's start with the name of this painting. It is quite a dyslexic name. Oh my god, I think I'm dyslexic. Oh my god, it's Thoria. Wait a minute, Thoria Trinam, right? I was gonna name it something simple like Sangeet, but I was like last minute, right? No, I want to be quirky as fuck. So yeah, I named it Thoria Trinam. It means a triad of music, song, like music, lyrics and dance. So yeah, as you can see, it's literally that. So yeah, perfect Sanskrit word for it. So you may wonder why am I reviewing it now? Because I don't know. Oh my god, this is also good. Look at all these black spots. Oh my god. But anyways, yeah, what can I do about it, right? So I'm reviewing it today because I wanted to simply. I'm 1 month late, and this was an assignment, a project given on the topic of diversity of India. And I don't know what I was going through that day. My teachers were literally concerned for me because I was not spewing out any good idea. This was not one of them, okay? So that day there were 3 topics, okay? They were like wildlife protection. I was like, okay, that is like too common for a poster. But I still chose that. But my mom did not like any of the ideas. She was like, Honi beta, aaj kya ho gaya tujhe? You take rest today. She don't do anything that day. And like 10 days tak my mind was like blocked. I did this after a month. The assignment was given. I started doing this after a month. The assignment was given. Oh my god. And the next topic was AI and design. I wanted to do that, but you know, it was AI and design, not AI versus design. If it was that, I would have definitely done it. But in design fields, I guess you need to like cater to what they say. You need to appreciate AI, and you would catch my dead body doing that. I would never appreciate AI. Oh my god, from this I remember Coca-Cola ka ad. Oh my god, that ad is so... I'm not drinking Coke anymore. Pepsi or Thumbs Up Zindabad. Thumbs Up. I'm gonna drink Thumbs Up. Okay, anyways, yeah, AI and design. So of course I do not support AI, so I didn't choose that. You needed to basically, I guess, incorporate how AI helps in design. And no, why are you doing a degree in design when you want AI to help? Like, so I didn't choose that. And third was of course diversity of India. Now I didn't want to choose diversity of India because it was such a cliche topic. Oh my god, it's such a cliche topic. Everyone would do dance, music, pani puri, I don't know, food. And I was like, oh my god, I'm not gonna do this. But guess what? I ended up doing that because I'm stupid as fuck. Okay, so yeah, I did this. I don't know. I saw like it was getting... I needed to submit this like in a month, and I was like, let's just scroll through Pinterest. I saw some great ideas, and I was like, oh my god, I have so many ideas. Let's just combine them into one, and I made a mashup, and this is the result. It is pretty good, I guess. The colors, I like the colors. But yeah, so the concept is basically nothing. It's like different states ke cultural dances and like, you know, different musical instruments. Diversity of India. I don't know how it is relevant, but yeah, it is apparently. I don't know. So yeah, I did this. I like it. Actually, I like it. I think this is my best painting so far. Like, oh my god, not gonna flex, but can you see these details? Oh my god. And yeah, what was I saying? Oh my god, the people are so stupid. They put this under graphic design. How was this graphic design? It should have been put under fine arts or something. They put it under graphic design. But okay, anyways, I didn't win the prize again, so who cares? But yeah, it was fun to do. Actually, not so fun because when I started this, this took I guess like 1 week, 1.5 weeks. And the whole week I was throwing up, I had diarrhea, I got fever, and there were several other reasons. Yeah, that's why the process was not so good. Oh my god, I remember. Oh my god, I was so frustrated with this painting because of the audiobook I was listening to. I was listening to The Crash by Frida McFadden, and oh my god, such a fucking annoying book. Oh my god. That audiobook is like so frustrating. Like the main character has no brain cells or what. Oh my god, she keeps blaming the husband when the wife. I got so irritated. Oh my god, I don't know. I got so irritated. So I think that kinda came upon this painting. Also, I didn't enjoy the process as much as I enjoy others. But yeah. Now let's finally talk about the painting, I guess. So yeah. So, I had another idea for this. I wanted to, paint faces of like different cultural dances because like Kathakali and Rajasthan, Ghumar. Yeah, they have different makeups. I wanted to make it like a portrait, beach man, like everything. But then I dropped the idea because I'm not doing that much mehnat. I'm not gonna do that much efforts. So yeah. I did this, but yeah, I think this is crazy. I like the composition. First time in my life, I like the composition. Nothing is from imagination. I will say that decreases the points except the cloth. The cloth was, but yeah, I think I would decrease my points for that. Nothing was from imagination. Everything had a reference. So yeah, that is kind of, but yeah. So the main focus is on the tablas. I think these are rendered nicely. Ignore the anatomy, guys. Oh my god, I'm trying to learn, but ignore the anatomy. So yeah, the tabla is quite good. I think that is the main center of attention. I love the sitar. Oh my god, the details, man. The peacocks. I love the sitar. Oh my god. The hands are like very I don't know, they are not handing, but whatever. Like and different age groups also, like different skin tones and different age groups as well, so diversity. And this is a sitar, no house, and this is a harmonium, right? This is a harmonium, and this is, I forgot what was this. Oh my god, this is kuchipudi. Yeah, this is kuchipudi. And yeah, I like the steel turquoise, I don't know, teal color so much. This is Ghumar, Rajasthan dance. This is Kathakali, of course. This is, I guess, Manipuri dance, and this is a flute. The flute, the rendering is so bad. I did not bother to complete it. I was so over this painting. I did not render it properly, as you can see. I did not go in with final touches. I'm like, oh my god, fuck this wedding, like just like get off me. But yeah, I really like this. So this is Bihu and this is Santoor. I love Santoor, man. Oh my god, I wanna learn Santoor. But yeah, and this is Pungi. Yeah, Pungi, right? This is a Pungi and this is a cloth traveling through. I don't know why, just don't ask me. But yeah, I think that cloth looks very cool. It is messy though, like this. Oh my god, ew, this is messy as hell. But yeah, and for the background, I didn't want to leave it like completely black. There was actually a black sheet behind this, but I think, yeah, I tore it off. It was like very ew. So the concept was like black, white, black, and it would have like incorporated in the painting, and it did. That did look good. But yeah, I didn't want to leave it like completely black, so I did a mandala on it, and I think it is kind of wonky. but it does the job. The overall composition, I say, is decent. It's not that good, but for me, I mean, something like without a reference, like the whole thing copying from a reference, it's good. I didn't copy anyone at least this time, and that's a win, I guess. I would have liked if I drew this from my imagination, but I'm yet to be there. So yeah. Tell me how you like it. Also, one thing, I didn't paint the faces of these people because I was too fucking lazy to do that. I'm like, just get this painting done with. But yeah, I think without face, it looked good on me. I think the faces would have been like too much work, too much detail, and it would have ruined the look. It looked aesthetic, yeah, aesthetically pleasing. This was more of a rant than explaining this. Oh my god, but yeah. I love this, I love this, I love this. I think this is my best painting so far, like I've ever done since like what, 2018? Yeah, since like 7-8 years. Oh my god. I'm obsessed with this painting. And now it goes back in the museum. So yeah, thanks for listening to my rant. Yeah, thank you so much, and let's meet whenever we meet again.